Ever heard that traders say going long or short on Bitcoin? And you have no idea what they mean. So let's break it down super simply. Today's video, I would like to explain you for total beginners what is a long and short position in crypto trading. Let's dive in. In crypto trading, the long and short are just the two ways to bet on the market, whether you think the price will go up and down. And yes, you heard me right, you can make money even if the price of some token go significantly down. So let's break it down. Firstly, the spot trades. You got some token, the price of this token is $1. You have $100 you invest in, and this token pump like let's say 10% in 1 day or 2 days. So your profit now is $110. But if you invest on the spot $100 with $1 price for token and the token drop 10% down, basically you will have like $90 on your portfolio. But with the futures trades, you could open short position and make a profit from this down move. That's why if you invest in some token on the spot, you get only one way to make a profit, only if the market will go up. But on the futures market, you can open a long position or a short position. If you go long, you're buying an asset expecting if the price go up. For example, the token like $1, you bet this token will go up, and you place the bet $100 multiply to second leverage. I will show you and explain you what is leverages. So you multiply your funds, you borrow another $100 from exchanges, and if the price go, let's say 10%, you get a profit up. The same way, if you go short, you betting the price will drop. So you borrow the money on exchange, price drop it down 10%. So that 10%, it will be your profit. On TradingView, we got two tools, long position and short position. How to work with that tools, I highly recommend you go and check this educational tutorial. Now, I want to show you an real example. What does it mean to open long and short? How to make money or maybe lose the money. That's why you have to work with the orders, and video about orders also you can find on my channel. This is exchange, and almost all exchanges looks absolutely the same. So this is a terminal. Highly recommend before open any trades long or short, watch the detailed tutorial about that specific exchange where you want to trade, and watch tutorial about a futures trading in general. Today I want to show you just example how it works, the mechanic of the opening long and short. For example, I have $56 USDT. I will show you on the max because on the max now we get a zero fee for some specific tokens. So when I will open position, I will pay zero fee for my trades. We choose Solana, Sol USDT trading pair, zero fees, and this is a leverages, what I can use for that trades. Of course, you don't need to gamble with the so high leverages. Leverage multiply your initial funds. So for example, if I got $50 and I want to open a long position with 10x leverage, it looks like I borrowed the money on exchange and I could open position now not on $50. I could open position on $500. So if I want to open a long position, I have to add my stop loss on the some K level up to your own risk. Definitely place my bet 5x leverage, $50, 5 multiplied to 5, it's going to be like $250. And I want to open long position. Stop loss will be 176. And it means I think from this current price, Solana should go up. I press open a long position. So my position is open it, and like you can see, if the Sol will go higher, I can make money. If the Sol will drop down, I will lose the money. So in real time, you can see this is an unrealized P&L. I can close my trade immediately or just adjust my stop losses to the break even. For example, I can close position. Let's say I want to open short position. I do the same, $250 with 5x leverage. I press short open position, stop loss I'm gonna add over this week and press open short. So this is a way. Now, if the price of Sol will go down, I can make a profit. and you can see the profit even while the coin goes down. Flash close. Guys, I hope you like this video. Before you go and open any position, long or short, highly recommend you, no rush, just first of all, watch tutorial about that specific centralized exchange, what you want to use. Learn what is futures trading. Highly recommend you go and check the main video on this channel. Always use the stop loss and the take profit. Work with proper risk management and the money management, and don't gamble with big leverages. Guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel and don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.